Hi friends, in this tutorial I will teach you how you can resolve an error while downloading or installing applications from Microsoft Store. Before proceeding, I request you to please click on the subscribe button to continue watching more such tech and how-to videos. Now let's go ahead and resolve the issue. The resolution is completed in 4 different steps. We'll go ahead with the first step. Simultaneously press Windows and I key to open the settings menu. In the settings menu, click on Update and Security. In the Update and Security, click on the Troubleshoot button. In the Troubleshoot, click on Additional Troubleshooter. Scroll down and you will find an application name as Windows Store app. Click on it and click on Run the Troubleshooter button. It will start detecting your problems and some problems will be resolved using this troubleshooter. It will take a lot of time, so I'm going to close this troubleshoot for you. At your end, you first need to run this troubleshooter because this one is the basic step. Now, if you are unable to resolve the issue, we'll go ahead and proceed with step number 2. In step number 2, simultaneously press Windows and R key to open the run command. In run command, you need to type here wsreset.exe and hit the enter button. In second step, we are using this command to clear all the cache stored in the Microsoft Windows Store. This run command will automatically close by its own and it will open. After clearing the cache, it will automatically open the Windows Store for you, which means you can now go ahead and try downloading and installing the software from Microsoft Store. It will take around 1 minute for this command prompt to close automatically. So for that particular time, kindly be patient. This blank screen doesn't mean that there is nothing going on. In the background, it is clearing your Windows Store cache. So just be patient. Now you can see over here that command prompt has closed automatically and it has automatically opened Windows Store for you. Once Windows Store is open, now you can go ahead and try downloading and installing apps from this Windows Store. Till now your problem must be resolved because the major reason behind this problem is because of the cache that are stored in the Microsoft Store. If still you are unable to fix this issue, we'll go ahead to proceed with step number 3. Now in the third step, we are going to reset Microsoft Store to default. So for that, press on the start menu and type here CMD. Click on the Run as Administrator button. Now once the command prompt is open, I'll provide you a command in the description below. You can directly copy this command and paste over here in the command prompt and hit the enter button. It will take some time to reset your Microsoft Store, and once the command is finished, your Microsoft Store has been completely reset. So once the command is completed, kindly recheck and reinstall or try to download the application from Microsoft Store. Now you can see over here that some files are successfully processed and some are failed. For those files that are failed, it's because they are not Microsoft Store files. That's why they are failed. So just close it and now go ahead and try again downloading the apps from the Microsoft Store. Till now your problem must be resolved. If not, then we will go ahead and proceed with the last step, which is fourth step. So for that, simultaneously press Windows and X key, and in the menu options, choose Windows PowerShell as an admin mode. In the fourth step, we are going to reinstall Microsoft Store completely, so that if there are any errors, any kind of problem occurred, it will be resolved automatically. I'll provide you these script also in the description below, so that you can easily copy it from here and paste in the Microsoft PowerShell. Just copy this script. This is the uninstaller script. Paste it in the PowerShell and hit the enter button. I have disabled Microsoft Store, that's why it is showing some kind of error at my end. But at your end, after pasting this script, the Microsoft Store has been completely uninstalled from your computer. Once it is uninstalled, kindly restart your computer. After restarting, again open Microsoft PowerShell by pressing Windows and X key and choosing PowerShell as an admin mode, and then choose this command to again reinstall it in your computer. Copy this command and paste it in the PowerShell and hit the enter button. That's all you have to do. Again, it will take few minutes to install the Microsoft Store completely in your computer. But after doing these steps, the problem that is causing you to unable to download or unable to install any kind of applications from Microsoft Store will be resolved successfully. If not, kindly comment below and I'll again provide another method to you on how you can resolve this error. That's it about this installing error, friends. If you like my video, go ahead and subscribe to my video, subscribe to my channel and share with your friends also. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching.